Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to take multi-snaps on Snapchat. Multi-snap is a Snapchat feature that allows users to take multiple photos and videos in a quick succession. Users can then edit the snaps individually and choose the best ones to send or save. Multi-snap lets you take multiple photo or video snaps quickly so you can review and edit them individually. Choose the best ones to send or save. Now, to take multi-snap, let's see how can we take multi-snap on Snapchat app. So, to take multi-snap, you have to open the Snapchat app. As you can see on the screen that we have already opened the Snapchat app. Now, tap on this button. You'll get to see multi-snap option. Tap on that. And now take snaps. Here we go. We took 3 snaps and we are ready to edit and send. So that's how you are going to take multi-snaps on Snapchat. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.